Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, my name is Umi. I'm a solo traveler from Malaysia. If you'd like to know more about my travels, please subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon as well so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. I'm now in Georgetown, Penang with a friend of mine who used to live here many years ago. And today she's going to take me on a food tour and introduce me to some of her childhood favorites. Let's go!
Should I say hi?
Hi.
Wave lah, wave to the camera. At what age did you stay in Penang?
12.
12?
Yep.
For how long?
5 years?
5 years.
Yeah.
What year was that? What years were that?
1972 to 1977.
Okay.
The places that we're going to may not be the trendiest or the most popular on social media right now, but just the fact that they are still around after all these years tells me that they must be really good. Our first stop is Beua Cafe, where we'll be having our breakfast. It's a halal Chinese coffee shop selling typical kopitiam food like toast and egg, but they're mostly known for their noodles. I'm having a bowl of white curry mee while my friend here is having prawn mee. Now we're heading to a secret spot, hiding inside a market. It's a simple stall selling a dish called Taqua Renang, which is basically deep-fried tofu served with some prawn fritters, cucumber, and spicy sauce. I think now we're ready for some dessert. We're going to Lebo Keng Kui for some ice kacang. This is the same road where the famous Teochew chendol is, but we're going to the stall right opposite. Because they put sarsaparilla in the ice kacang, giving it a unique flavor that you can't find in many other places. On the same street is the stall selling a variety of fried snacks. This is not one of my friend's recommendations, but I'm just craving for something fried.
Apa? I nak tu je. Tu kot. Tu lobak kan? Okay.
Okay, this nice.
Okay, dah.
Okay.
Dah.
Sudah. Ada tak dia? Ada. Oh, dia tunggu satu kan? Oh, dia panas kan? Alright.
Bungkus. Yelah, kenyang.
Saus asing kakak?
Sekali pun boleh, curah je. Okey, cukup.
Ini yang hitam tak?
Tak nak lah, nak ke? Tak payah lah. Okey, thank you. Thank you.
Our next stop is a burger stall opposite the police station on Lebot Dickens. We're going to have a simple beef burger. It's simple but nostalgic. I think a lot of Malaysians would agree that these roadside burger stalls can really bring back old memories. After walking around town to burn off some calories, we are ready for an early dinner at Hamdia. This has been one of the most famous nasi kandar restaurants in Penang in all of these years. If you're looking for a light meal, you can try the murtabak, which is a type of roti and egg stuffed with minced meat and served with some curry.
Ayam roast. Iya, banyak satu. Tak, lagi kayu acar apa?
We're having rice with chicken curry kapitan. I don't think I can finish a whole plate of nasi kandar on my own, so we're going to share this one. And I think we're done for the day. I don't think I can fit in anything else. So the next time you come to Penang, don't forget to try all of the food on this list and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next destination.